So to replace the transmission mount, it goes in like this. So the first thing you gotta do is take off this bolt right here, which is like a 14 or a 15. Take it off, and before you do that, you want to lift up the transmission. So I have it up on a jack. I got one of these scissor jacks or whatever they're called. So lift it up, and then you come up here. And there's two more bolts up here. These are 15s, so they're gonna be kind of hard to get out. So make sure you get some WD-40 or PB blaster on there. Let it soak in for a little bit. But as you can see, look, my transmission mount is just coming off. It doesn't even have anything stable or anything. It's just coming right off. Right, turn around. All right, so we got the second bolt out. She's working on that. Sorry for the video quality. Just dark down under here. There's that bolt, and then there's the new one. So she's working on getting the old motor mount out. Yes, I said she. As you can tell, she's wearing gloves, so let's see if I can get a better angle at it. There you go. So there's the old one. So here, put it right there so we can show the people the old one. In two pieces. Whoa, that's awesome. Alright guys, so this is the old transmission mount. I'm gonna show you a trick that we had to do. So there it is right there, the new one. All 15s. Made in China. Shit, hopefully it lasts. So when you lift up on the transmission, let me try this. When you lift up on the transmission and you take everything off, it kind of, for my car at least, it kind of shifted everything over to the right or left. I forgot which side. So what you want to do is get one nut or bolt. Yeah, one bolt in, and make sure the bottom one is already in this one, in this hole. So as you're lining it up, the transmission and the drive shaft and everything kind of just starts falling into place. Because at first, the initial setup, nothing was aligned. So find out whichever bolt you feel comfortable doing, put it in, connect it to this top part right here, and then make sure that this is, you're not gonna connect this, you're not gonna tie in this until later. You're not even gonna have this on. You're just gonna have the nut coming out or the bolt coming out, so it kind of lines up. So if it makes any sense, if you put in this nut and this bolt, it'll line up this way. If you do this one, it'll line up this way. So once we were able to line up the transmission with the drive shaft and everything lined up, then we put in the other bolt with the other bolt on the other side, and we was able to line everything up. So we're about to go for a test drive. I was hearing some knocking, and you saw the transmission mount. It was terrible. This is the brand new one. The rubber piece of it was completely gone. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And again, they're all size 15 bolts. And the next thing we're gonna do is the U-joints. I have the U-joint, the front and rear U-joints we're gonna be knocking out. So little by little we'll be replacing stuff that needs to be replaced. I plan on getting a full exhaust redone on this truck, make it sound a little meaner. If you guys have any questions, please